All right, guys, so what's up? Not much. As you know, we got to start our morning off at the Wawa because they have the best hot chocolate in the world. If you don't know what it is, come get it. It's the best shit ever. All right. What's up, guys? Not much. So, you know, we're just out taking the truck out. Nice little explore day. That's kind of what I do some days, is wake up early in the morning and then just go out for a cruise in the truck, because the thing about the truck is you can drive it anywhere, you know? You don't have to worry about stuff being in the road or anything. You can just take it out and it doesn't really matter, you know? So that's one of the good things about being in the truck, is I can just drive it wherever. And two, I can find good roads to drive in my car and my bike. Two, it's probably 30 degrees outside today, so I'm not really gonna take the car out and I'm not gonna take the bike out. But I can take the truck out, maybe find some back roads. Two, when it warms up, I can find some really good roads to ride the car and the bike on. So yeah, so we're out today just cruising around. I'll give you guys a truck update. I haven't done too much to the truck, but yeah, guys, we'll see. We're just out cruising. Yeah, so there's not really much out here, just kind of woods and fields. Not really much else out here. So yeah, as far as just riding around, we're just looking for some roads. I'll let you guys know if we find any good back roads or anything we can go off-roading on. Let's see. What do we have out here? Nice little off-road spot. Not as muddy as I thought though, but we'll see what's out here. Hopefully I don't get stuck because I ain't got nobody with me. There we go. Ooh. Hope this isn't too deep. All right, we'll try it. Okay, yeah, we're good. All right, guys, so out here in the middle of nowhere, but here's the truck. Yeah, so put some wheels on it, got some bigger wheels and some black rims. Kind of like the look. Looks pretty good. Yeah, look at that. I didn't really mess with the lift much at all, but got these kind of rep TRD wheels. They look pretty good. They were cheap. Tires are good, but not really complaining. Not really mad about it. They ride pretty nice. I do like the, you know, wider stance on them. So they do work good, but I mean, it looks pretty good. I like the black on the black with the kind of the tan color and with the tinted windows. It looks pretty good. I have no complaints with it. I like how it looks. Nice looking truck. But all right, guys, let's probably get this thing pretty muddy. Let's probably go ahead and explore some. Maybe we can ride these trails. I haven't been back there. I don't know where that goes. We might ride back there, see where that goes. But all right, guys, we'll see. Look who it is. It's my boy Mark. What's good, man? He's probably out here somewhere though. Out here in the woods with his dogs. I don't know where he's at, but who knows? Maybe I'll hit him up. Hey man, you want to go hunting one day? Let's go out. That's what we need to do. Because, you know, to be honest with you guys, that's really where the stuff is. Because in the wintertime, I don't do anything but guns and trucks. Because there's nothing else to do. I mean, what are you going to do? Can't drive your motorcycle. Can't drive your race cars. Can't drive your other car. There's nothing really to do except ride around in your truck, find some off-road, shoot some stuff, blow it up. Sounds pretty cool. But all right, guys, I don't want to make this video too long. Just kind of just 4Runner update, riding around, looking for some trails. Normally what I do. Keep it rolling. Well, all right, guys. Later.